Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. For today's video, we are going to be doing lipstick trend for winter 2020-2021. all right, so the lipsticks that I'll be featuring today, they are not new purchased. I took them from my collections, so you might want to check into your lipsticks collection before going ahead to go purchase all the this shade I'm about to present. I am not here to talk about a particular brand in a particular, like to specify that it has to be this particular brand, if you get my points. We are talking about shade right now that are trending for winter for 2020 and 2021. So that's the bottom line. So in this video, I'm not going to be specifying that it has to be a particular brand. No, we are not talking about brands, we are talking about shades. So you might want to check in your lipstick collections and see what shade you have that actually goes with this shade, or is that very shade, before going ahead to go purchase, just in case you want to jump into the trend. So these are the lipsticks that are trending for winter 2020 and 2021. all right, so I'm gonna be, in order not to prolong this video, I'll be putting the name of each on the screen as I show you the application. I don't want to prolong this video, right? So if I keep mentioning the name, then going into application and showing you how to apply it, it's going to be super long. But I don't want it to be too long, and I don't want it to be boring. All right, so I'm going to try and work this out and make it as fun as possible for me and for you to enjoy. All right, please, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. And if you're wondering what I have on my head right now, it's a wig. All right, it's my DIY wig that I make for shave side chick. If you don't shave the side of your hair, you can still rock it. What you have to do is just to gel the side of your hair, bottom line. So if you have not seen the video of how I created this this wig, I'll put the link I'll put the link somewhere here or at the end card for you to watch if you're interested in seeing how I made this wig. Yes, it is a wig, it's not a weave. All right, it's not a quick sew, it's not a weave. Okay, it's a wig. Pop in and pop out, bam bam bam, and you're good to go. All right guys, so without wasting much of your time, please do not let me forget this. Please do not forget to leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video. Which one are you going to be trying, and which color is your favorite? All right, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.
Beats Entertainment. Hey yo, coach, do I wanna be the one who you believe in your heart is sent from heaven. There's a piece of me who lives when you're gone because it's sent from heaven. I wanna be the one who you believe in your heart is sent from heaven. There's a piece of me who lives when you're gone because it's sent from. She got her own thing, that's why he loves her. Miss Independent, would you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing, that's why he loves her. Miss Independent, all the way you shine. Miss Independent, yeah. Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you, I'll always have you. Mr. DJ, song on the replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? Or dig up on the dance floor, wanting some more. Come, Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? Ay, Mr. DJ, song on the replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? Or dig up on the dance floor, wanting some more. Come, Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? Ay, it's too late, and I can't wait for you to be gone. Cause I know about her, and I wonder how about all the lies you said that you would treat me right, but you was just a waste of time. Just a waste of time. be my only friend. You told me that they can't understand me. I am, so why are we here talking to each other again? Is it true that I'm not the only one? Is it true that you're just having fun with my heart? With my heart. Hello out there, can you hear me? Send SOS immediately. Hello out there, can you hear me? Send SOS immediately.
Beats Entertainment. Hey yo, coach Dua.
I wanna be the one who you believe in your heart is sent from heaven. There's a piece of me who lives when you're gone because it's sent from heaven. I wanna be the one who you believe in your heart is sent from heaven. There's a piece of me who lives when you're gone because it's sent from. She got her own thing, that's why he loves her. Miss Independent, would you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing, that's why he loves her. Miss Independent, all the way you shine. Miss Independent, yeah, just like a tattoo. I'll always have you, I'll always have you. Mr. DJ, song on the replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? Or dig up on the dance floor, wanting some more. Come, Mr.